1 minute to understand the aluminum extrusion die. 1. Diversion bridge. The shunt bridge is in the mold, the key structure connecting the upper and lower molds. Its main function is to support the mold, while withstanding tremendous pressure. The aluminum billet that will enter the mold. Shunt. Its design directly affect uniformity of metal flow, number of diversion bridges, shape and size, according to the profile, shape and size to determine. Generally, the shape is more regular. Reasonable design of thickness and width. Avoid being too thick. Causes metal flow resistance to be too large or too thin. Unable to handle stress. 2. Diversion hole. The shunt hole is the channel for the aluminum batch to enter the inside of the mold. In the hollow profile mold, it's going over the diversion bridge. Metal after shunt. Guide around the core. The shape, size, and number of shunt holes. It is essential for the uniformity of metal flow. Usually fan-shaped or rectangular. Some of its area. It needs to be adapted to the cross-sectional area of the extrusion cylinder. Make sure the metal enters smoothly, and the transition of the hole should be smooth. 3. Core. The die core determines the shape and size of the hollow part inside the hollow profile. When squeezed, metal flows around the die core and eventually form a hollow profile. Core shape accuracy and surface quality. Directly related to the quality of the profile. It is usually made of high-strength alloy steel, and the surface needs to be polished. Fixing method. Make sure that when subjected to extrusion force, no displacement or deformation occurs. 4. Welding chamber. The welding chamber is shunted after the area where the metals reconverge. In hollow profile extrusion, here the metals rejoin and weld. Its volume and shape. Depending on the profile size and shape, design smooth transitions at entrances and exits. The surface roughness is controlled within the appropriate range to ensure that the metal is fully welded. Avoid weld defects. 5. Work belt. The working belt is located at the exit of the mold cavity. It is an important part of controlling metal flow speed and profile dimensional accuracy. By adjusting the length and shape of the working belt at different parts, can balance metals flow velocity on the section of the profile. The surface roughness of the working belt is low. The outlet shape matches the final shape of the profile. Ensure smooth extrusion of profiles. 6. Extruded profiles. The extruded profile is the final product of the entire die extrusion. The quality of the profile includes shape, size, and surface quality, etc. It all depends on the reasonable design of the above parts of the mold. Precision machining and effective maintenance. In the process of mold design and use, all must be fully considered. How to ensure the extrusion profile meet high-quality standards.